All right, let's go through this problem together. Well, the first thing we're going to start is by doing the domain. So domain is from left to right all of your x values. So from -3 to +4. So for the domain, we're going to use a parenthesis because this is an open circle at -3, and it goes from -3 all the way till 4. So 2, 4, and because this is a solid circle, it's going to be a bracket. Okay, so there's our domain, and that's how you would show your work. The next thing we're going to do is range, and range is the lowest point to the highest point. So the range here is going to go from -3 all the way up until 6. So from -3, which is a solid point, so a bracket, to +6, which is also a solid point, so bracket. Increasing, it is increasing from here to here. So we talk about it using our domain. So because it is changing directions here, that's going to make it a parenthesis. So from 1 until 4. Because at 4, it is a solid point and not changing direction, that's going to make it a bracket. So this is where it is increasing from. Okay. Now we're going to look at decreasing. It is decreasing here. So we talk about it in terms of domain. So it's decreasing from -3, but that's an open circle, until +1, and that's where it's changing direction, so also a parenthesis. X-intercepts. So the x-intercepts, I'm going to give myself a little more room here, maybe move over a couple. Okay. X-intercepts is where it crosses your x-axis, so anywhere it touches this line, which is going to be at -1, 0. And also at 2, 0. Okay, our y-intercept is going to be where it touches your y-axis. So right here. And it looks like -1.5. So that's going to be 0, -1.5. The reason it's going to be 0 first is because you always do x, then y. Your minimum, your lowest value, is -3. You can write the ordered pair, or you can simply write the number. I'm just going to just do -3. Or you could give the point, which would be 1, -3. Okay. And then we have the maximum, the highest value, which is going to be, looks like 6. Or we could give the actual ordered pair, which would be 4, 6. And I want you to notice all of these are not using interval notation. Interval notation's used for domain, range, increasing, and decreasing.